Tina Bridgettini School of Energy, and also Crystal and Awaken Retreats. I wanted to share with you something that, just one example of why clients come to me to see me for a retreat. This person states, I want to let go of limiting beliefs, to be free and to stop feeling victimized, to let go of the past and lighten the weight that I carry. I would love to wake up every morning and look forward to my day, happy and eager. What that means to me is that a person is having a difficult time finding joy in their life, in any aspect of life. They're waking up and they're going through the motions. Something is missing. Now, as an energy healer, I'm looking at what is missing. And I worked with this person. We did a couple of polarity therapy sessions with some energy therapy. We did access consciousness, which is also known as bars. We did that for day 1. Day 2, we did some meditation, we did some breath work. And by day 3, there was a major shift. This person was experiencing more joy in their life and ready to move their life forward. Now, what is the key to doing combination therapies? Energy therapy, in my opinion, is the biggest thing to move the energy. Because what I'm looking at while I'm doing the energy therapy, which means working in the energetic field, is what's happening to the element of fire. Is there fire out? And if somebody's having a difficult time experiencing any joy in their life, finding passion in their life, then the fire is out. I'm looking at each element and saying, where do we need to go to get to the next place? I'm also listening to the person's thought patterns. In other words, what are they thinking on a daily basis? Thoughts are energy. And when we can shift the energy, we can shift the thoughts. When we shift the thoughts, we can shift the energy. One particular client, stay tuned. I will come back and share some others with you. Right. So go ahead and put your comments down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Any questions that you might have, Tina Bridgettini, once again. And if you feel that you are an energy healer, go ahead and get registered to my class. All right. I look forward to seeing you soon. That link's below. Subscribe to my channel. Your likes are very much appreciated.